Oh, welcome, and thank you again for coming, Branka. How did this retreat help you to reach your objectives for the week?
Actually, it did information I got from talking to other people, to the videos. It did help me to reiterate the information which is there, to remind me on some things I may have forgotten, and I did learn some new things as well, and it did stress important some other things I didn't pay attention to. So I really think I will approach to whole food, plant-based in much a better way, I think. And
Oh, that's good to
hopefully,
hear.
yeah, and hopefully more and more spread the word to say that in a way hopefully the others will understand, and hopefully expand and build up the community, which would be very important. Yeah.
That's good, thank you. What will you change when you get home?
Yeah, we are already more or less plant-based, but the oils are, I would say, the next step, and I'm truly dedicated to try to do that. Oils, hopefully, successfully. But
Yeah. What words of wisdom do you have for others on this journey?
yeah, kind of keep your mind open. Please read, please talk to people, and as Danielle said, support is so important, and there are many other people around who are going through the same, and slowly making your loved ones aware of the truth, let's say that, and hopefully getting support from home, from friends, would make a huge difference.
It would be
we
nice.
can't work, can't do things all by ourselves.
Yeah, it's nice to have some, at least find your little community, and we are here for you. Thank you again for
Thank you.
coming. We loved
Thank
having
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.